Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to dive into a topic that I think we can all relate to, transforming your space with some easy DIY home decor ideas. You know that feeling when you walk into a room and it just feels stale? Like it hasn't been touched in ages? Well, I'm here to tell you that you don't need a massive budget or a degree in interior design to breathe new life into your home. Sometimes, all it takes is a little creativity, a few supplies, and a bit of elbow grease. So, let's get into it. First things first, let's talk about the power of paint. Seriously, paint is like magic in a can. You can completely change the vibe of a room with just a few strokes of a brush. Whether you want to go bold with a deep navy or keep it light and airy with a soft pastel, paint can transform your space instantly. And here's the best part. You don't have to paint an entire room. Accent walls are all the rage right now. Pick one wall that you want to highlight and go to town. You can even use painter's tape to create fun geometric designs or stripes. Just make sure to prep the area and cover your furniture. Trust me, no one wants to explain to their friends how that splotch of blue paint got on the couch. Now, once you've got your walls looking fresh, let's talk about furniture arrangement. You'd be surprised how much a simple rearrangement can change the feel of a room. If you've been staring at that same setup for years, it's time to shake things up. Try moving your couch to a different wall or swapping out chairs from one room to another. A little bit of movement can create a whole new flow, and it's a great way to rediscover your space. Plus, it's a free way to refresh your home without spending a dime. Next up, let's dive into the world of accessories. I'm talking about pillows, throws, and all those cute little trinkets that make a house feel like a home. If you're looking to add some personality to your space, don't underestimate the power of textiles. A new set of throw pillows can add color and texture, and they're super easy to switch out with the seasons. You can find affordable options at places like Target or even thrift stores. And if you're feeling crafty, why not make your own pillow covers? All you need is some fabric, a sewing machine, or even fabric glue if you're not into sewing. It's a fun project that can really elevate your decor. Speaking of textiles, let's chat about blankets and throws. Layering different textures can add depth to your space. Drape a chunky knit throw over the back of your couch or layer a soft fleece blanket on your bed. It not only looks cozy but also invites people to snuggle up and feel at home. And don't forget about rugs. A good area rug can anchor a room and bring everything together. If you're on a budget, look for second-hand options, or even consider making a DIY rug using fabric scraps or old t-shirts. It's a unique way to add character to your space. Now, let's get a little crafty. One of my favorite DIY projects is creating wall art. You don't need to be an artist to make something beautiful. You can use canvas, wood, or even old picture frames. Try your hand at abstract painting. Just slap some paint on a canvas and let it dry. Or if you're more of a photo person, create a gallery wall with your favorite prints and memories. Mix and match frames for an eclectic look. It's a fantastic way to personalize your space and showcase your style. Another great DIY project is making your own planters. Plants can breathe life into any room, and having a few greenery pieces can really brighten up your space. You can repurpose old containers like tin cans, glass jars, or even wooden crates. Just make sure to add drainage holes if you're using something that doesn't have them. You can paint or decorate these containers to match your decor style. And if you're not great at keeping plants alive, don't worry. There are plenty of low-maintenance options like succulents or even faux plants that look just as good. Let's not forget about lighting. Changing up your light fixtures can dramatically alter the ambiance of a room. If you have a basic ceiling light, consider swapping it out for something more stylish. You can find affordable options online or even at local thrift stores. If you're feeling adventurous, try making your own pendant light using a basket or a decorative bowl. Just make sure to follow safety guidelines if you're dealing with electrical work. And if you want a quick fix, adding string lights can instantly create a cozy atmosphere. Drape them over a bookshelf or along a wall to add some warmth and charm. Lastly, let's talk about organization. Sometimes a little decluttering can do wonders for your space. Go through your things and see what you can donate or toss. Once you've cleared out the unnecessary items, think about creative storage solutions. Use decorative baskets to hide away items while still keeping them accessible. You can also repurpose old crates or boxes for a rustic look. It's all about finding ways to keep your space tidy while still making it look stylish. So there you have it. Easy DIY home decor ideas that can transform your space without breaking the bank. Remember, the key is to have fun and let your personality shine through. Your home should reflect who you are and what you love. So grab your paintbrush, get those creative juices flowing, and let's make your space feel like home again. If you try any of these ideas, don't forget to share your results. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Happy decorating!